Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change Microsoft Bing wallpaper. Now, to achieve that, ensure that you head over to your Google Chrome browser or whichever browser you're using for the purpose of this course, and then just type in microsoft.bing.com and it will take you to this page, or you can just head over to your Microsoft Edge and get properly signed in, and this is what will pop up on your screen. Now, to show you how to change your Microsoft Bing wallpaper, you want to head over to your setting bar, which is at the top over here, as you can see on my screen. Click on that and then choose theme setting, and you can navigate from there. Another way for you to get to this page is that you can just head over to your three dotted icon over here and then click on setting, and then it will take you straight up to this page. So for easy access, this is the page where we can change our wallpaper. Now remember, from your settings it will come up as appearance. Appearance means to change all form of outlook of your Microsoft Bing if you're tired of the boring or other features that were already there. Now, to change your wallpaper, first you want to pick if you want it to appear as light or dark. All right, so you can decide to check this or check this, and it will change, as you can see on my screen. So now I can decide to change color theme. Let's click on that. I'll just pick the preferred color I want it to appear as. All right, you can see the changes being made on my screen. I can decide to change the image theme, and to do that I'll just head over down here and pick the particular image I want to appear on my screen. So I want to change from this image to another image over here. So let's pick sunflowers. We'll click on that, and in a few moments everything will change to what we want it to be. So as you can see, my wallpaper has been changed. All right, other ways you can do this is to change. Just Microsoft Bing offers you a whole world of wallpapers. They are inexhaustible. They are very colorful and beautiful. You can decide to explore more themes by using your AI theme generator. Right, just click on this extension bar and you can head over to do that. You can also install themes from your Edge add-on store by clicking on this extension bar, and you would achieve that. You can also use your game assist, change page colors. All right, apply page colors, specify size, and all that you want to do to change your wallpaper. You can also head over here. If you do not like the wallpaper that is already being set, pick the one you want, and in no time that will change. All right, so this is how you can change your wallpaper on Microsoft Bing, and it will give you the colorful design that you prefer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.